Dabaco from HR301P, and I will show you how to prepare and cook buffalo wings. Our ingredients are chicken wings, flour, oil, onion, chili powder, black ground pepper, white ground pepper, oyster sauce, brown sugar, milk, salt, garlic, mayonnaise, and Philippine lemon. Now, after telling all the ingredients, now we will cook the buffalo wings. First, heat the oil. Second one, of course, we will dredge the chicken wings. We will put first the black ground pepper, white ground pepper, and salt. We will put now the chicken wings. Yeah. Nice one. The other one. Now, after putting flour in the chicken wings, we will now fry the chicken wings. Yes. There you go. While we cook the chicken wings, we will now make the sauce of the buffalo wings. First, get a blender. And now, the chicken now is golden brown. We will make now the coat of the chicken. We will be needed this one. Red chili powder. Here we go. Yes. Brown sugar. Oyster sauce. The last one, onion. Here we go. After putting all the ingredients for the sauce, we will now blend it. You know how to use it, man. Now we will transfer the sauce with the coat of the chicken. We will put the cooked chicken wings here. Wrong utensils. May. Yeah, here. Ano ba yan?
Kaya magpetay. Gary, hanggang mo.
Now, after making buffalo wings, we will now make garlic dip. We will mix the remaining ingredients First, here. This kind of sheet. There you go. Milk. Some milk. Philippine lemon. There you go. Then, the garlic. It's done. Blend it again. You know. Where should I put this garlic?
Yan.
Now, here's the buffalo wings. Thank you.